Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to unlock the power of charts inside Monday.com. By the end of this video, you'll know how to visualize your data with charts directly on your boards and dashboards and how to customize them for meaningful insight. So whether you're tracking sales, project progress, or any process, these tips will help you make smarter decisions at a glance. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about adding a chart view directly to a board. Start by opening up the board that holds the data you want to visualize. Maybe it's your team's weekly tasks, client projects, or sales leads, whatever info you want to see as a chart. At the very top of your board, you'll notice an option called Add View. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a list of different views pop up, and here you want to look for Chart. Select that, and right away, Monday.com will automatically pull information from your columns and generate a chart. Think of this like flipping a switch that lets you see patterns, trends, and outliers that might be buried inside rows of numbers or status updates. The default chart that appears is just a starting point. You can tweak it to match exactly what you need. Now, let's say you want to keep an eye on key metrics across several boards, all in one place. That's where dashboards come in, and you can add a chart widget. Head over to your dashboard. This might be a space where you track company-wide goals, weekly priorities, or cross-department stats. Near the top, click Add Widget. You'll get a menu of different gadget-like widgets. Sometimes you might not see chart right away, so look for a link called More Widgets and use the search bar to type in chart. Once you spot it, select it. Instantly, a new chart widget pops up on your dashboard, ready to be configured. This is really helpful if you want to combine data from different sources or keep important stats front and center. All right, with your chart added, let's make it truly yours. Click into the chart's settings. You'll notice quite a few customization options here, and this is where you shape the chart to fit your story. First up, choose your chart type. Monday.com offers a variety: pie charts for proportions, bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends over time, bubble charts for more complex visualizations. For example, if you're tracking project status, a pie chart might show the percentage completed, while a bar chart could compare different team members' progress at a glance. Next, set your axes. Here, you're telling Monday.com which columns from your board to use. Maybe you want the X-axis to be project names, and the Y-axis to be budget spent, task count, or effort hours. Carefully picking your axes is key to getting a chart that actually answers your questions, not just looks nice. Monday.com also lets you add calculations right inside the chart. Do you want to see total sales, the average number of tasks closed per week, or simply count the number of items in each category? Adjust these calculations to make the chart reflect the metrics that matter most to you. If your data is organized into categories, like by department, priority level, or region, you can group data by a specific column. This way, the chart will show comparisons side by side, making it easy to spot which team is ahead or which product is driving the most value. Sometimes you need to measure your progress against a goal. That's where benchmarks come in. You can add a benchmark line to your chart, marking a quota or target. Use this as a visual guide. If your bars or lines cross that benchmark, you know you're on track. Sorting data helps you make quick sense of large sets. You can set your chart to display data in ascending or descending order, which is really useful for ranking, finding best performers, or tracking trends over time. One of the best features, Monday.com charts update automatically with any changes you make to your board or dashboard. So if you update a status, add a new item, or apply a filter, your chart refreshes in real time. No need to remake your visuals, just focus on the work and the insights stay up to date. And that's it. With these steps, you're now able to visualize and customize your data using charts in Monday.com to make informed decisions faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment with any questions or your own chart tips, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.